Are you prepared to experience the comparison of all comparisons? We are going to compare not 2 but 3 free electric scooters, and that is the first one is the Xiaomi 4. Then we're gonna have Xiaomi 4 Lite, and we are going to look the Xiaomi 4 Lite but first generation. So let's look here. Max power. The 4 is better comparing to 4 Lite 500, but the 4 Lite, the basic one, got only 300. So you see that the 4 got the highest power here. Then we go like first, second, and third. Then we're gonna have travel range. You see that the Xiaomi electric scooter 4 got 35 kilometers. That's like really good. Again, the 4 Lite got only 25, and the Xiaomi 4 Lite normal is 20 kilometers. Then we're gonna look here on max speed. Max speed is the same everywhere. The incline climb is again 16, 15, 14, again 1, 2, 3. So the Xiaomi electric scooter 4 Lite is just like losing every single comparison right here. Then the braking system, you have best for the 4, and then you're gonna have I think even like this is like, I don't know, similar one, maybe the second generation, first generation. That the tires are better for the 4 Lite second generation and the 4, but this is worst. Then you're gonna have the best one for charging is 4 Lite, but we just have to be aware that the battery capacity is the worst. So yes, it's going to be like really the weight is the smallest right here. You can see it, right? The 4 Lite, but also because of the charging time is going to be smaller and the battery capacity is small. So yes, you have about 5 hours for, this is going to be the second for 4, 4.5 hours for 4 Lite, and then you're gonna have charging time 8 hours. This is the worst for the 4 Lite second generation. So then we're gonna have the battery capacity. This is for the 4 is the first, then you're gonna have the second generation, and Lite is third. Weight is better for 4 Lite. This is like if you just looking for really light for your kid, like 10 years old, just go for 4 Lite. Where you don't have incline climb, you just want to have something small, effective for a child, I would go with this one for 4 Lite, to be honest. Not even the 4 Lite 2, because you can have maximum power there. So that's about it. Then rider height, rider age, then the frame material. I couldn't get, I have only one here for the high strength carbon steel. I don't know which one is better for here. Now then you can have affordability. That's like also for the 4 and second gen, you can like fold them both. I don't know about the Lite there. Then you can have the dashboard. That's the same speed modes. 4 and 4 Lite, you have better standard speeds, mode speed. Battery management is high. Then you get the energy recovery is primarily, I have only for second gen here. The headlight I have only also for the second gen here, and tail light also. I couldn't get it for these. Both got same connectivity, and 4 and 4 Lite got the better IP rating. So when we are going to look here, the summarization of it, if you're just looking for a small, rapid, quick, 4 Lite is going to be good. But if you're looking for more, bless me. So if you're looking for something more, you can go for the 4 Lite. And if you want to look for 4 Lite second generation for something really powerful, go with the Scooter 4. So I just want to make this quick video. Maybe I gave a little bit of value. If I didn't, I'm sorry. I'm just really like making this video. I'm just having so much fun. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.